Most people drift into financial struggle unknowingly, like waking to find the light has changed. It's a quiet drift, unnoticed until the dawn of realization. Discipline waits outside, but comfort whispers.
Just a little longer.
And the morning light grows as the scroll goes on. We live on autopilot, performing daily routines without awareness. This extends to our finances, where we spend without intention. Brushing our teeth becomes a metaphor for unconscious habits. It's time to wake up. Rushed mornings, reactive living. We move through our routines without thought, pouring ourselves into the day before it's even begun. What if we paused, just for a moment, to be present? I keep telling myself I'll start saving next month, but next month never comes. It's always easier to delay, to put off responsibility. But time doesn't wait. Every single day, she exchanges her most valuable asset, her time, for a fixed paycheck, without building skills, assets, or systems that could eventually work for her instead.
We swipe our cards without a second thought. These invisible daily purchases quietly drain our wallets. Before you know it, they've added up to more than you realize.
Avoiding your bank balance does not protect you from reality. It only delays the moment when you take control and face the numbers honestly.
My account balance is so low, I can't keep ignoring this. This is the wake-up call I needed to get my finances in order. I need to take control before things get worse. In moments of discomfort, a digital escape offers a quiet refuge. A gentle glow from the screen can soothe the mind, transforming unease. Here, we find our digital escape. The consequences of our choices become visible. It's time to face reality. The weight of financial pressure is building. Bills are piling up, and each rejection letter feels like another door closing. The uncertainty is overwhelming, making it hard to see a way forward. As I review this, I recognize the repeating patterns in my spending. These insights help me make smarter financial choices. Pattern awareness is the key to financial clarity. It's time to take ownership of this. I can handle this responsibility. This is my moment to step up. The first step to financial control is tracking every dollar. This simple habit reveals your spending patterns. I choose discipline over convenience in my daily routine. Cooking this simple meal is an intentional choice. It's how I build a purposeful life.
Financial growth begins the moment you replace passive entertainment with intentional learning that builds knowledge capable of increasing your income over time.
New income requires new skills, and every focused hour spent improving yourself creates future opportunities that your past routine could never produce. Consistency transforms small, disciplined actions into measurable progress, proving that wealth is built through repetition, not motivation alone. When you control your attention instead of letting distractions control you, your financial decisions become clearer and your direction becomes intentional. Strengthening your mindset builds resilience and clarity. Channeling your energy creates. Embrace the sunrise as a symbol of renewal. Let it fuel your journey, stronger habits, and boundless energy. I started by drifting, uncertain of my path. Now I've come full circle, grounded in who I am. As your financial decisions improve, your environment slowly reflects that stability, replacing chaos with order and stress with a growing sense of control. Long-term thinking changes everything, because when you focus on the future instead of the present impulse, your entire financial direction shifts. I started by drifting, uncertain of my path. Now I've come full circle, grounded in who I am.
It's time to break the cycle and embrace a new beginning. Subscribe now to join our journey and share your story with us.